हेलो एवरीवन, कैट 2023 एक्चुअल पेपर सॉल्यूशंस इस प्लेलिस्ट का ये वीडियो नंबर 9 है, जिसमें हम स्लॉट 3 के क्वांट सेक्शन के क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 22 ये 6 क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे. आउट ऑफ दिस 6 क्वेश्चंस, 3 क्वेश्चंस आर फ्रॉम नंबर्स एंड इंडाइसेस एंड द रिमेनिंग 3 क्वेश्चंस आर फ्रॉम ज्योमेट्री. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 से स्टार्ट करते हैं. Question number 17. Let n and m be two positive integers such that there are exactly 41 integers greater than 8 to the power m and less than 8 to the power n, which can be expressed as power of 2's. Then the smallest possible value of n plus m is how much? So basically there are going to be 21 consecutive power of 2's are there in between 8 to the power m and 8 to the power n. So basically देखो 8 to the power m को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं 2 to the power 3 into m, and 8 to the power n को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं 2 to the power 3 into n. So in between these two numbers there are 41 powers, there are consecutive 41 consecutive power of 2's. तो हमें फाइंड आउट क्या करना है, मिनिमम पॉसिबल वैल्यू ऑफ n प्लस m फाइंड आउट करना है. तो m भी मिनिमम होना चाहिए एंड n भी मिनिमम होना चाहिए. सो m and n आर नेचुरल नंबर्स, तो द मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ m इज गोइंग टू बी हाउ मच 1. सो दिस नंबर विल बिकम 2 to the power 3 देन. और यहाँ पे कितने नंबर्स होना चाहिए, 2 to the power 4 होना चाहिए, 2 to the power 5 होना चाहिए, and so on. Total 41 power of 2's are going to be there. तो 41 plus 3 कितना हो जाएगा, 44 हो जाएगा. So 2 to the power 44 तक होना चाहिए यहाँ पे. 2 to the power 4 से लेके 2 to the power 44, how many numbers are there, 41 numbers are there, and this is less than 2 to the power 3 into n. So यहाँ पे n का वैल्यू भी मिनिमम होना चाहिए. So the minimum value of 3 times n कितना होना चाहिए, the minimum value of 3 times n should be 45 everyone. The value of 3n should be greater than 44. But n is a natural number, so 3 into n भी natural number होना चाहिए, multiple of 3 होना चाहिए. So the minimum possible value 3 into n can take is 45. In this case the value of n becomes 15. This is the minimum value of n. So the minimum value of m plus n is going to be 1 plus 15, that is equal to 16. Question number 18. Let n be any natural number such that 5 to the power n minus 1 is less than 3 to the power n plus 1. Then the least integral value of m that satisfies the given inequality. The given inequality for each n, for each value of n. The given inequality is 3 to the power n plus 1 less than 2 to the power m plus n. So let's have a look at it. For each n we need to satisfy. तो सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना होगा, we need to find all the possible values of n which satisfies this inequality. अबे inequality क्या है, 5 to the power n minus 1 is less than 3 to the power n plus 1. How many values of n satisfies this inequality? एक बार find out कर लेते हैं. n is a natural number, so the minimum value n can take is 1. अगर हम यहाँ पे n is equal to 1 रखेंगे तो ये 5 to the power 0 1 हो जाएगा. 1 is less than 3 square. Yes, this is fine. अगर हम n is equal to 2 पुट करेंगे तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, 5 to the power 1 हो जाएगा. 5 is less than 3 to the power 3 हो जाएगा 27. This is also fine. अगर हम n is equal to 3 पुट करेंगे, 5 to the power 2 25 and 3 to the power 4 ये हो जाएगा 81. This is also fine. 25 less than 81. अगर हम n is equal to 4 पुट करेंगे यहाँ पे तो ये हो जाएगा 125 is less than 243. This is also fine. अगर हम n is equal to 5 पुट करेंगे, 5 to the power 4 आएगा 625, 3 to the power 6 आएगा 729. This is less than, yes, this is also fine. अगर हम n is equal to 6 पुट करेंगे यहाँ पे तो 5 to the power 5 होता है 3125 and 3 to the power 7 होता है 2197. So 3125 less than 2197, no, this is wrong. If you check n is equal to 7, 5 to the power 6 होता है 15625 and 3 to the power 8 होता है 6561. This is less than this, no. So n is equal to 6 onwards does not satisfy the given inequality. n is equal to 6 onwards does not satisfy the given inequality. So n के possible values यहाँ पे क्या होंगे 1 से लेके 5 तक. अब हम second inequality check करेंगे. We want to find the minimum value for m. The minimum value for m over here which satisfies all these conditions for each n. So let's have a look at it. Second inequality यहाँ पे क्या है 3 to the power n plus 1 is less than 2 to the power n plus m. तो अगर हम यहाँ पे n is equal to 1 पुट करेंगे तो क्या होगा यहाँ पे 9 is less than 2 to the power m plus 1 आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. तो यहाँ पे मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ m क्या होगा? द मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ m इज गोइंग टू बी हाउ मच ओवर हियर द पावर ऑफ 2 विच इज ग्रेटर दैन 9 इट्स 16. 16 इज 2 to the power 4. तो m का मिनिमम वैल्यू यहाँ पे 3 होना चाहिए. अगर हम n इज इक्वल टू 2 पुट करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 27 लेस दैन 2 to the power m plus 2. Power of 2 which is just greater than 27 is 32, मतलब 2 की power 5. तो minimum value of m is again over here 3. अगर हम n is equal to 3 पुट करेंगे यहाँ पे 3 to the power 4 is 81 and less than 2 to the power 3 plus m plus 3. Power of 2 which is just greater than 81 is 2 to the power 7 127. तो 2 to the power 7 तो यहाँ पे minimum value of m is going to be 4. Then अब हम यहाँ पे n is equal to 4 पुट करेंगे तो a हो जाएगा 243 और a हो जाएगा 2 to the power m plus 4. So the power of 2 just greater than 243 is 256, that is 2 to the power 8. So again यहाँ पे 2 to the power 8 होना चाहिए, means minimum value of m is going to be 8. 4 again here. अगर हम n is equal to 5 पुट करेंगे तो a हो जाएगा 729. The power of 2 just greater than 729 is 2 to the power 10 1024 2 to the power m plus 5. The minimum value of m over here is 5. So we need to satisfy all these conditions. The minimum value of m which satisfies all above conditions is 5. So the answer of this question is 5. Question number 19. The sum of the first two natural numbers each having 15 factors including 1 and itself is how much? तो बेसिकली यहाँ पे टोटल नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स कितने होना चाहिए? 15. यहाँ पे एक डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला है नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करने का. इफ वी नो द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ द नंबर. So if the prime factorization of number is a to the power p into b to the power q into c to the power r, where a, b, c are prime numbers. So in that case, the formula to find number of factors is equal to a plus 1. Sorry, in every power we are supposed to add 1, so it becomes p plus 1. Into q plus 1 into r plus 1 into so on. So now this is supposed to be 15. अब हम 15 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? Let's have a look at it. 15 we can write it as 15 into 1. That is nothing but 14 plus 1. 15 we can write it as 3 into 5. That is equal to 2 plus 1 into 4 plus 1. These are the only two ways in which we can express 15 as a product of natural numbers. These are the only two ways. So now from this there are two possible prime factorizations are there. The first possible prime factorization is equal to number n is equal to prime number a, where a, b, c are prime numbers. Prime number a to the power 14. This is first possible prime factorization. second possible prime factorization is equal to a to the power 2 into b to the power 4. Now, अब हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? फर्स्ट टू नेचुरल नंबर्स. लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट इट. It means the lowest natural number which satisfies this condition and the second lowest. Let's have a look at it, everyone. So which number satisfies the first condition? N is equal to 2 to the power 14. Then n is equal to 3 to the power 14. Then n is equal to 5 to the power 14. N is equal to 7 to the power 14. These are the numbers which satisfies the first condition. These are the numbers under first prime factorization. Now the numbers which are in the second prime factorization, let's have a look at it. N is equal to 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 4. Then second possible number is n is equal to 3 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 4. Then it can be 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 2. It can be 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 4, and so on. There are infinite such possibilities are there, but we are interested in only smallest two natural numbers which satisfies this condition. Now this number is 4 into 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81, that is equal to 324. This number is 9 into 16, this is equal to 144. 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4 is 16 into 25. This is nothing but 400. Then this is equal to how much? 2 to the power 2 is 4. 5 to the power 4 is 625. This multiplication is 2500, and so on. You can see that these numbers are very much more than 144 and 324. So over here we can see that 144 is the smallest such a number and 324 is the second smallest number. So the sum of first two numbers which satisfies the given condition is equal to 468. This is the answer of question number 19. Question number 20. In a regular polygon, any interior angle exceeds the exterior angle by 120 degree. Then the number of diagonals of this polygon is how much? So this polygon is having, let's say, n sides. Over here each interior angle is greater than exterior angle by how much? 120 degree. Means difference between one interior angle minus difference between one exterior angle is equal to 120 degrees. The formula to find sum of all interior angles is 180 into n minus 2. To find each interior angle, we need to divide it by number of interior angles, that is n. Each interior angle is equal because it is a regular polygon. Now each exterior angle is how much? Sum of all exterior angles is 360 degree. So each exterior angle becomes 360 divided by n. So now difference between these two, it's supposed to be 120 degree. So let's solve this. Divide this equation by 60. So this will become how much? 3, 6 and 2. So let's multiply this equation by n. So this will become 3n minus 6 is equal to 2 times n. So the value of n becomes how much? 12. तो यहाँ पे हमें find out क्या करना है? Number of diagonals of this polygon. The formula to find number of diagonals is n into n minus 3 divided by 2, or it can be nc2 minus n. So यहाँ पे n is equal to 12 हम put करेंगे. So our final answer is going to be 6 into 9. That is equal to 54 diagonals are going to be there. Question number 21. Let triangle ABC be an isosceles triangle such that AB and AC are of equal length. AD is the altitude drawn from A on BC and B is the altitude drawn from B to AC. तो यहाँ पे पहले हम डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. Let's draw one isosceles triangle first of all. This is how the triangle will look like. Then this is triangle ABC. Hold on. This is triangle ABC. After this, a perpendicular is drawn from point A to the opposite side and the point B to the opposite side. Now these angles are going to be 90 degree. Over here AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. This is the isosceles triangle. AD is altitude from A, BC, and AD is altitude, means this point is D, this point is E, everyone. They intersect at point O, such that angle AOB is equal to 105 degree. This angle is equal to 105 degree. Then we need to find the ratio of AD and BE. Let's have a look at it. तो यहाँ पे what we can conclude is, अगर A वाला एंगल 105 है, then this angle becomes 75, this angle becomes 75, this angle is 90, तो A हो जाएगा 15 डिग्री. It is an isosceles triangle, so दोनों triangles congruent हो जाएंगे. If this is 15, this is also 15. Then this is also 15 over here. Then this is how we can complete this table, everyone. This is how we can complete this diagram. Okay. So now 105 plus 15 is equal to 120. तो A वाला हो जाएगा 60 over here. This is 15. Then question में पूछा क्या है, हमें AD divided by BE find out करना है. You can see that AD and BE, they are the heights. Heights कहाँ पे यूज होते हैं? एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल में यूज होते हैं. तो एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल इज गोइंग टू बी व्हाट? हाफ इनटू बेस इज BC, द हाइट इज AD, and half into, if I consider base as AC, the height is going to be BE. तो यहाँ पे half and half cancel हो जाएगा. Then AD divided by BE is going to be equal to AC divided by BC. तो इस क्वेश्चन में लिखा क्या था कि हमें AD and BE का रेशियो निकालना है. Now our question becomes AC and BC का रेशियो is how much, everyone? यहाँ पे AC is a side opposite to 75 degree and BC is a side opposite to 30 degree over here. तो प्रॉपर्टी क्या है? द साइड अपोजिट टू बिगर एंगल इज लॉन्गेस्ट एंड साइड अपोजिट टू स्मॉलर एंगल इज शॉर्टेस्ट. तो इस प्रॉपर्टी को यूज करके हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? यहाँ पे AC का लेंथ बड़ा होना चाहिए BC से. इट मीन्स AC डिवाइडेड बाय BC का जो रेशियो है वो ग्रेटर देन 1 आना चाहिए. अब हमें चेक करना है कि किस ऑप्शन का वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन 1 होगा. लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट इट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल sin 15 का वैल्यू. यहाँ पे हमें कुछ चीजें याद रखनी है. एवरीवन मस्ट बी नोइंग साइन के वैल्यूज. देन sin 30 कितना होता है? sin 30 इज 1/2. sin 45 is equal to 1/√2. sin 60 is equal to √3/2. And then cos 30 is equal to √3/2. cos 45 is equal to 1/√2. And cos 30 is equal to 1/2. तो यहाँ पे what we need to understand is in between 0 to 90 degree. In between 0 to 90 degree. Or you can write one more values. Let's have a look at it. Hold on. 0 degree. Sin 0. Sin 0 is going to be 0 and cos 0 is going to be 1. Cos 0 degree is equal to 1. So from 0 to 90 degree, sin is increasing function. And from 0 to 90 degree, cos is decreasing function. तो यहाँ पे किस ऑप्शन का वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन 1 है वो हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना है. लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट इट. अब यहाँ पे sin 15 का जो वैल्यू होगा वो sin 0 एंड sin 30 के बीच में होगा. सो sin 15 का जो वैल्यू होगा वो 0 एंड 0.5 के बीच में होगा. तो ऑप्शन ए का वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन 1 नहीं हो सकता है, तो ऑप्शन 1 इज एलिमिनेटेड. सिमिलरली cos cos 15 का जो वैल्यू होगा a cos 30 से बड़ा होगा बट cos 0 से कम होगा. इट मीन्स cos 15 का वैल्यू 1 से कम होगा. तो ऑप्शन बी इज आल्सो एलिमिनेटेड. अब ऑप्शन डी एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं. वी नो दैट sin 15 का जो वैल्यू होगा sin 0 एंड sin 30 के बीच में होगा. तो 2 टाइम्स sin 15 का जो वैल्यू होगा वो 0 एंड 1 के बीच में होगा. तो 2 times sin 15 is not going to be greater than 1. So we left with option number C over here. We know cos 15 का जो वैल्यू है वो cos 30 कितना होता है √3/2. √3/2 का वैल्यू क्या होता है 1.73 और 1.70 divided by 2 0.85 एंड cos 0 का वैल्यू होता है 1. cos 15 का वैल्यू इन दोनों के बीच में होता है, मतलब 2 टाइम्स cos 15 का जो वैल्यू होगा वो ऑब्वियसली ग्रेटर देन 1 होगा. तो बाय दिस लॉजिक हम ऑप्शन सी को यहाँ पे मार्क कर सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. A rectangle with the largest possible area is drawn inside a semicircle of radius 2. Then the ratio of the length of the largest to the smallest side. The length of largest side and the smallest side of that rectangle is how much? तो पहले तो यहाँ पे डायग्राम निकाल लेते हैं. लेट्स ड्रॉ सेमी सर्कल और फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स ड्रॉ सर्कल लाइक दिस. देन दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द सेमी सर्कल ओवर हियर. Hold on. Whereas this is the center of the circle and the area and the rectangle with the biggest possible area is going to be this one. Hold on. The rectangle with the biggest possible area is going to be like this. Now let's call this complete is B, that is sorry, this complete is length L. तो A क्या हो जाएगा L divided by 2 and L divided by 2. This is breadth and this is nothing but the radius. The radius is equal to 2 over here. This angle is 90 degree. तो यहाँ पे हम पाइथागोरस थ्योरम यूज कर सकते हैं. पाइथागोरस थ्योरम क्या होगा b स्क्वायर प्लस l स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय 4 इज इक्वल टू 4. हमें यहाँ पे फाइंड आउट क्या करना है. The ratio of L divided by B is how much? Now, अब B square plus L square divided by 4 is equal to 4 आ गया. अब इसका जो एरिया होगा मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल एरिया है. तो मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल एरिया इसका क्या हो सकता है. लेट्स हैव लुक एट इट. तो यहाँ पे हम AMGM का प्रॉपर्टी यूज कर सकते हैं. अरिथमेटिक मीन ऑफ L square divided by 4 comma B square is greater than or equal to geometric mean of L square into B square, L square divided by 4 comma B square. Arithmetic mean क्या होता है sum of all observations divided by number of observations. And geometric mean का meaning क्या होता है product of all observations to the power 1 divided by number of terms. तो अगर हम इसे further solve करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा. Let's have a look at it. L square divided by 4 plus B square is greater than or equal to 2 times LB divided by 2. Then over here इसका वैल्यू हमें पता है 4 is greater than or equal to LB आ जाएगा. means LB is less than or equal to 4. So the maximum possible area is equal to 4 here. अब हमें पता है मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल एरिया कब आता है AMGM प्रॉपर्टी में, जब दोनों टर्म्स इक्वल होते हैं. जब दोनों टर्म्स इक्वल होते हैं मीन्स फॉर दिस कंडीशन द वैल्यू ऑफ B स्क्वायर एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ L स्क्वायर बाय 4 इट्स सपोज टू बी इक्वल. तो L स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय B स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4 हो जाएगा. इट मीन्स L डिवाइडेड बाय B इज इक्वल टू 2 हो जाएगा. So the answer of this question is 2 divided by 1.